guys, welcome back. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you what I'm renting from Nuuly this month. I have been paying for Nuuly for a couple months now, and I just love being able to rotate very trendy pieces in my closet. To sum up what Nuuly is, if you aren't familiar with it, it's just a clothing rental program. You're going to rent 6 pieces of clothing a month for $88. If you do end up liking something that you rent, you can purchase it at a discounted price, which I have done a few times. It's very similar to like Rent the Runway and Haberdash, if you've heard of either of those. I've actually never tried Rent the Runway, but I'm kind of obsessed with Nuuly. I've just found Nuuly to be a really good fit for my style. I like a lot of Urban Outfitters, Free People, Anthropologie if you shop at either of those. Hundreds more designer brands on there like LoveShackFancy for Love and Lemons. There's a lot of pieces in there for like a romantic style. Very adventurous, trendy pieces. If you have like a special occasion coming up or something, it's really nice to have for something like that. So if you are interested in trying it out, I do have a $20 off referral link for your first month if you would like to try some new pieces and just have fun. Encourage yourself to enjoy dressing up or something, because I know, like, I get very comfortable in my leggings, and I'm in my leggings right now and my chunky sweaters. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see more from me. I share new videos with you every Monday and Friday, and I do a lot of romantic fashion, styling videos, unboxings like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell as well. That'll just remind you every time I share a video. I also wanted to mention that all the shipping is free, and I always get mine like literally the next day. It's really fast. Lots of blue. I don't remember this one. One of these doesn't look familiar. Did I put that in here? Oh, and this month I am renting 7 pieces because I got a bonus item. Just because I think 2 months ago I ended up getting a dress that was damaged. So they gave me, first they refunded me for the dress. They gave me $15 back, and then they also gave me a bonus item. Their customer service has been pretty decent so far. Like, I haven't had any issues as of yet. This first one is a sweater dress, and I actually don't have any sweater dresses now that I think about it. But this is from Free People, and it's nice and oversized. I went for a size medium. Yeah, they have a size medium large, and then there's a small medium. A nice slouchy oversized fit, and just having something like this right now I think it's supposed to snow this weekend. I'm definitely going to be pulling this one out. I like the patchwork and the colors. So I'm going to try this on really quick, just make sure it fits nicely, and then I will be back to share with you the next item. Excited about this one. This is a duster. Yeah, like a oversized duster from Free People. I have been wearing a lot of like leggings and t-shirts at home, or like oversized sweaters, and I thought this would be a fun way to kind of dress it up, or even some of my dresses. This one looks like it's in really good condition. This is just a very romantic piece. It'll just add so much to my outfits. I'm really excited about this one. So I'm gonna go try it on, style it, and then move on to the next piece. I have a lot of tops. Oh, and I did want to say that it has a button-up style in the front. top, and this is from English Factory. It's a size medium, and I loved this for the ruffles. I am really into wearing black and white right now. Like, I'm just really into the neutrals. It's very dressy. The material, it has a little bit of stretch to it, so it's not like stiff. I feel like I might have a little bit of an issue like getting the wrinkles out, but it still looks like it's in great condition. I feel like this would be a fun way to dress up overalls or something. Lots of ideas on how I want to wear this one. This one is. I don't remember putting this one in there. Okay, of course. This is a dress from LoveShackFancy. It's a size large, and this is just like a slouchy fit once again. Like, I really like having smocked dresses like this, and LoveShackFancy is like one of my favorite brands. It's a very romantic style, and it has the big puff sleeves. This one would be really easy to layer with a sweater. I like this ditzy floral pattern. This actually would look really nice with the cardigan that I'm wearing right now, but I do like that this has the smock material because it'll just make it more wearable for like every day. It is a lighter dress, but it's very easy to layer it up. So I really like having pieces like this to work with. And this is another one that I was so excited about. It's like an oversized denim patchwork shirt. I'm really into the oversized tops and sweaters right now. They're just so comfortable. The medium looks like it'll be perfect. This is a beautiful dress. I love this color. Ever since I got a light blue dress in one of my trunk club boxes, I've been kind of obsessed with finding a dress similar to it. It's like that baby pastel blue, but this one has so much lace on it. It just really caught my eye, and it was kind of sitting in my likes for a while, but my size was always sold out. So they finally had my size. It's from a brand, McCall, and it is a size 10. And it does have a built-in bra on it, which that's kind of nice. I won't have to worry about that. Looks like it's kind of like open around the stomach area, like it's just like lace. It's a very romantic dress. I am gonna have to really layer this up with sweaters and stuff. I figured I could try it out, and if I end up really liking it, I could always rent it again in the summer for like a date dress or something, or special occasion. But it's 71% cotton and 29% silk. So there's not weight to it, but it feels really nice. Like, it feels like a LoveShackFancy dress. It did say in a lot of the reviews that it was running a little small, so hopefully I won't have an issue with that. The last item that I'm renting from my Nuuly is a coat. I just wanted to have a bright pink coat. I don't know, probably because of Valentine's Day or something. It's like a Barbie coat, and I love having a good statement coat. It's definitely a little bit more oversized. I don't think they had a medium, so I think I went for a large. Yes, I went for a large, and I don't mind coats being more oversized because I would rather them be too big than too small. It's in the collared style. It has a really nice lining. It's from, oh, I'm not going to even try to say that, Avecnas Phyllis? I don't know. It has the clasp style. It doesn't have the buttons, so it'll keep it nice and simple. Easy to style with other pieces. Can never go wrong with pink. That is everything that I'm renting from Nuuly for this month. I feel like I have a lot of very wearable pieces in this one, especially for the colder weather that we're in. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was fun for you. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!